So girls, Jose Mourinho is back. Jose 2.0, not the same manager anymore. काफी travel कर चुका है. When he came first, right, he was a winner. He had won the Champions League. अब वो आया. It's a very different Mourinho. So what are your expectations? What were your expectations when he came first? और अब क्या है in the second stint of Jose at Real?
जी, जब पहले आए थे ऐसा तो नहीं है कि बुलाया है तो ऐसे ही कुछ जीता नहीं है. He came from Inter and we know what he did in Inter. We needed that kind of gameplay, that counter-attacking gameplay, and we saw the results and the signings. जो ज़रूरत थी, अभी भी जो साइनिंग की हमको ज़रूरत है, जैसे मैंने कहा राइट विंगर, हमको प्रॉपर राइट विंगर चाहिए था, यान दियोमांदे. Okay, we needed that threat on the right as Vini is on the left. The dribbling, the pace, the tough angles and everything. You know, defenders को, especially the 1v1.
Right.
ठीक है, वहाँ पे बॉल लूज नहीं करना, recovery time and all that. We needed that threat. So Yan Diomande is here, and we needed options and we needed squad depth in the defense, जो बहुत ज़्यादा lack कर रहे थे. You know, Militao was injured.
Right.
And, so now we have Dumfries. Now we have Konate.
Right.
We have Cucurella, which was very very shocking. Very
Out of the
unexpected.
blue, yeah.
Out of the blue, but
I feel
Out of
like he is the best signing.
Literally out of the blue, from Chelsea to Real Madrid.
his performance in the World
Yeah.
Cup, I was like, okay.
I was
Yeah,
blown
right.
away. I mean, I think when we signed Korea, and I'm like, oh my god, now I have to love this guy, and it was like that. But I think the first match, like the first World Cup match that Spain played, and I'm like, I am sorry that I have underestimated you, or I didn't recognize your game sooner. And very honestly, and nothing against Korea, it is just that song was damn irritating, and it used to like, but Korea, I love it now. I think.
Now he got me over.
Yeah, now it's all fun. No, but I think the entire Spain World Cup journey, I have only focused on him because I'm like, I need to know this player to, you know, now that he's going to play for us, and I was blown away with him. Maybe because I underestimated him a little too much.
Yeah. But he does turn up for the big
Yeah.
games.
Yeah,
Proper
he
big
does.
game player.
He does.
So that is the thing कि अभी स्क्वाड कंजेशन एक प्रॉब्लम जो हो रही थी काफी, जो कोचेस के साथ आर्बोला के साथ मतलब रोटेशन में, ईगो हैंडल करने में.
Right.
I think Jose Mourinho is
He's the man. He's the man.
like,
So I have a two-parter question for you, because obviously Jose Mourinho has also coached Roma. The two-parter question is now Perez, like you said, Xabi Alonso. बहुत समय से everyone, the press and the close aides of Perez were like, Ancelotti is a vibes manager. It's a very stupid take, but
Yeah.
let's
Yeah.
humor it for 1 second. System manager चाहिए, system चाहिए. Got in Xabi Alonso, young coach. He obviously ex-Real Madrid player, knows the team, knows the environment very well. And then suddenly he was sacked. Arbeloa came in, again short-term fix. The second part of my question is now with Jose Mourinho. I've seen it. He comes in, you know, us against the world. वो पूरा एक initial एक enthusiasm लेके आता है, and then it's back to the same old कहानी again. So was Papa Perez right in sacking Xabi Alonso? And do you think Mourinho is a long-term solution, or is it just a short-term fix?
See, firstly, talking about Xabi, I was very sour about it for a very, very long time, and I was genuinely, even when Xabi came in, my first thing, like, you know, my friends used to say कि अभी तो आप लोग जीत जाओगे and all of that, and I said नहीं, Xabi को time लगने वाला है. It is going to take him, we need to be patient with him at least for 1 whole year. I mean, even in the beginning of the season, I predicted we are not going to win the Champions League this season, and it's okay. हम हर season नहीं जीत सकते. It is not practical because end of the day it's a game. And but yeah, like let's see. And again, like, you know, the squad changed so much. So many players left, and then we had new players coming in. All these young boys, and it was coming in with not a lot of experience, right? Even if you see Huijsen or Carreras or any of these players, they didn't have a lot of experience and that maturity. So Xabi was trying to build a system. We should have been patient with him. At least 1 year, I think that's like the bare minimum. Anybody deserves that. I think we were too quick to sack him. I think the board should have supported him. The Perez should have supported him. Everybody should have supported him. Yes, players of course, but also the management.
But जैसे रीडा ने बोला कि it was about egos, like egos came into the picture, and क्या आपको लगता है कि Jose is, of course, I mean historically he has been, but this current avatar of Jose Mourinho, can he handle the egos?
Yes, I think he can. See, Xabi Alonso, he is a young manager. ठीक है, Real Madrid एक pressure cooker है, ठीक है. Interference बहुत होता है मैनेजमेंट के साथ, and then player के egos होते हैं. ऐसे भी नहीं ना कि player experience नहीं, ये है. Mbappe था, Vinicius था, and after Toni Kroos, the entire squad just एक बोलते हैं ना पूरा एक imbalance हो गया. Then Modric left, ठीक है. So we had to, जब रोनाल्डो भी गया था, we got knocked out. तो ये चेंजेस को बेयर करना एंड देन द ईगो क्लैशेस एंड एवरीथिंग जहाँ भी नहीं सी अगर दे भी देते ना अगर एक सीजन तभी भी नहीं हो पाता दैट वाज नॉट और रियल मैड्रिड को चाहिए होते फास्ट रिजल्ट्स ठीक है रियल मैड्रिड ऐसा ही है सो मुझे तभी भी डाउट था बट आर्गोलिया ने भी आके कुछ ज़्यादा खास तो करा नहीं तो जा भी कोई दे देते शायद थोड़ा पॉजिटिव थोड़ा आई मीन कुछ तो मच बेटर या सीडीआर में थोड़ा हम लोग आगे चले जाते हैं क्योंकि आर्गोलिया केम एंड वी लॉस्ट फ्रॉम दैट सेकंड डिवीजन राइट सो द थिंग इज कि जोसे मोरिनो को इन सबसे ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है कोच ईगोज हैंडल करने में ठीक है एंड अगर प्लेयर्स को मौके मिलते ये सारे कोचेस आके रोटेट नहीं कर पा रहे थे they I don't know why they were not bringing that 18 beating wala system
exactly though that I don't know why they were not doing
very had a system Zinedine Zidane had the system ठीक है कार्लो एंचेलोटी को बोलते बाइक पे चलते Zinedine Zidane was rigid right but he had that system ठीक है हमारा 18 नहीं चल रहा बी टीम देखो यार
exactly
असेंसियो वगैरह सब थे बी टीम में भी
मार्सेलो एक पॉइंट पे बी टीम में खेल रहा था
सो दैट इज द थिंग सो आई थिंक ये वाला सिस्टम चाहिए जहाँ पे प्लेयर्स को मौका भी मिले उनका ईगो भी हर्ट ना हो मैनेज भी हो जाए लॉकर रूम भी सेट रहे एंड मैनेजमेंट को कैसे हैंडल करना है ही नोस बेटर
and also it's like to deal with egos be the biggest ego right like it's that and with Mourinho from the time we've started like at this Taylor Swift lyrics comes in my head like it's either gonna be forever or it's gonna go down in hell it's literally like that
in fact मुझे चलते इंडिया याद आता कि इस टीम में एक ही गुंडा है वो जोसे मोरिन्यो है like he's a so good at
I think it's a long term situation right now
so how long do you see
I think
Jose
3 years I think he's there and I think it's a good period he signed a 3-year contract maybe probably 4 years anyway Real Madrid is not going to keep anybody for more than like 4 years so we know 3 years is also a good time yeah I was going to say something and now
depend results अभी देखते हैं कि कैसा है I just trophy-less I don't think so trophy-less आएंगे see I am optimistic about this कि trophy-less नहीं रहने वाले ठीक है या तो लीग ठीक है लीग आ जाएगा बट देन अगेन लीग में 3 टीम्स प्रमोट हो गई है फिर से जिनके साथ रियल मैड्रिड की राइवलरी रही है एक देपोर्टिवा
La Coruña
Racing Santander and then the third one is Malaga right yeah तीनों के साथ रेसिंग Santander is something like बहुत ही ज़्यादा लो ब्लॉक बिठाती है and it is very difficult for you know points cost किए रियल मैड्रिड को and Malaga is also one of those teams and Deportivo
Chintan has got great memories with Deportivo
तो depend we needed a coach ठीक है जो सारी चीज़ों का उसको एक्सपीरियंस हो मल्टीपल लीग्स का उसको एक्सपीरियंस ठीक है ऐसे भी नहीं कि नो कास्टिया को कोच किया हुआ या यंग को नहीं चेल्सी हो गया इंटर हो गया बेंफिका के साथ ही डिड सच अ ग्रेट जॉब सो
also Roma
even I was just going to say that even with Roma
won a trophy
yeah
very,
I was just going to come to
Roma it's the most difficult thing to do but
sorry Syria has been a very very small part of जब से only for Ronaldo वो देखा है because नहीं सब कवर कर सकते there is Bundesliga ठीक है there is Serie A there is Premier League and there is La Liga I mean it's tough and then I'm also Formula 1 fan it's very hectic and I also used to watch tennis it was so hectic तो नहीं होता है but yeah
but coming back to the transfers so सबसे पहले Vinicius staying back that has to be something right like
yes,
heavily
of
like
course.
what were your thoughts
relief and I'm so happy like I think I don't think that Arsenal thing was ever happening I feel like I don't think that deal was ever going to happen. I think Vinny was always. I have never questioned Vinny's loyalty to the club. But also, even if he would have gone to Arsenal, I wouldn't have ever hated him for that because, see, at the end of the day, these are their jobs and they are not wrong for wanting. Like, imagine playing for a Premier League club and they just won Premier League last season. So why won't he go there? Yeah. So yeah, but Vinny staying back is a relief and. I was seeing this hatred towards Vinny in the last like 1-2 months,
बहुत
and
बहुत
I'm like, he was the best player for Brazil. Look at what he did in the World Cup. Us as football fans have such like small memories that we
Yeah.
forget what our players have done for us.
Correct.
We have 2 Champions League because of him.
Correct.
The last 2 Champions League which we had in the last, I don't know, 6 years, 7 years, it has been, and he significantly contributed.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
It's so yeah, like Vinny is our boy, and I'm so happy he's here.
एक्चुअली फुटबॉल फैंस को वही होता है ना कि जब सीजन बदलता है ना, जो आपने उखाड़ा है जो पहले की सीजन में, आप भूल जाते हो.
similar thing happened with Gareth Bale.
Yeah,
बोलती हूँ
of course.
सेम सिचुएशन हुआ है.
Yeah,
उसके
yeah.
बिहेवियर को पकड़ के इतना स्ट्रेच करते हैं. ऑल्सो द थिंग कि जो अभी ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वाला हो रहा था, पीपल फॉरगेट कि जो ये नेगोशिएशंस होते हैं, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट.
Of course.
प्लेयर कैन डू इट. तुम्हारे जेब से थोड़ी ना जा रहा है पैसे, ना कि तुम. बट आई वाज रिलीव्ड. आई एम अ बिग विनी स्टैंड. एंड जब अगर एम्बापे की भी बात करोगे तभी
बात करना मुझे. I want to talk about Mbappe.
Yeah, I didn't want Mbappe to join Real Madrid
Oh.
because of this very reason कि वो left winger है. उसको तुम स्ट्राइकर बनाओगे. This I was not into content creating at that time. मैं सिर्फ स्टोरीज डालती थी. I can still show you the exact words I said कि Vinny versus Mbappe यहाँ पे होगा और Vinny के जाने की बात आएगी and people will hate Vinny so much that they will forget what he did. And if that happens, I will never support Mbappe in Real Madrid. ऐसे में तो थोड़ा इमोशनल होके बोल दिया था मैंने, and that is exactly what happened. This is one of the reasons. See, जाहिर सी बात है हमको स्ट्राइकर की जरूरत थी, ठीक है, बट हम लेफ्ट भरते जाएंगे. इवन रॉड्रिगो की अगर तुम बात करोगे, खिलाते उसको राइट पे.
Exactly.
He is good.
The most selfless player.
Yeah, he is good.
I love
in the
Rodrigo.
left, ठीक है.
Yeah.
So ये बात हो गई थी and we saw, ठीक है, पर्सनल अचीवमेंट्स हो गए किलियन एम्बापे के वहाँ पे. ही स्कोर्ड सो मेनी गोल्स. टीम को फायदा, वांटेड दैट, ठीक है. एंड एक होता है कि कार्लो एंजेलोटी के अंदर विनीसियस जूनियर इज रियली डिफरेंट. इवन ब्राजील में भी हमने, बिकॉज उसको फ्रीडम मिलती है. बट व्हेन एम्बापे केम एंड देयर वाज अ प्रेशर ऑन हिम कि पास नहीं करेगा तो पास नहीं करता है. एंड देन कर दिया एंड एम्बापे मैसेज लाइक कि इसका डिसीजन मेकिंग, मतलब ही वाज अंडर सच माइक्रोस्कोप विनीसियस जूनियर, जब कोई नहीं था तब विनीसियस जूनियर ही वाज देयर. So I think this is one of the reason I didn't want Mbappe. ये clash होगा यहाँ पे. But
तो आपका तो ये clear है. If you have to keep one between Vinny and Mbappe.
I have Vinny.
What about you, Sharma?
See, I have.
No, just one answer. But don't do explanation.
I am not gonna pit between our players. If whoever leaves, then I'm not. I can't do that. Like I keep
This was
saying.
going to be a hook of the podcast. Pick one, Vinny or Mbappe.
And I have been saying that purely. See, when it comes to this team Vinny, team Mbappe thing, I have been saying it from last season. I get why the outside world would do that to us, and I get that because they would love rage beating us and they would love this divide between
You mean
the
Barca
fans.
fans?
Not, I mean, not really, but everybody. Very honestly, it's everyone. But when I see like Real Madrid fans, if I have to pick between the two and purely consistent, now Real Madrid is all about trophies. Real Madrid is all about like winning, and Vinicius Junior has given us that. So only purely because of that. If I have to, in that sense. But if you're talking about the team Vinny, team Mbappe from the team right now, I'm not going to pick. Ever going to
Very
pick.
diplomatic.
my point.
But never in my club.
See,
Once they're out of my
see,
club.
the thing is, हम बोलते हैं कि no player is bigger than the club.
Yeah, they're not.
एम्बापे ने कितने साल रियल मैड्रिड को रिजेक्ट किया, कितने साल किया.
I
And when he
very
arrived,
both
and when he arrived, there was so much tension कि हमारा जो प्लेयर हमारे लिए था उसके ही अगेंस्ट सब हो गए. Obviously I'm going to choose Vinicius Junior. Obviously because when we needed him he was there. ठीक है, ये आते के साथ सारा पूरा तुम उसको. And the thing is, पापा पेरिस का यहाँ पे ईगो प्ले हुआ है, ठीक है.
हाँ, वो तो
Nothing else.
obviously
He
हुआ
wanted
है.
here for free और
Yeah,
वो हुआ है,
yeah.
ठीक है. We didn't need Mbappe to be really honest. आ गया fine, he is our boy now, ठीक है. अभी सपोर्ट करेंगे, ठीक है. अभी दोनों का हो भी रहा है, कनेक्शन कम्युनिकेशन हो भी रहा है, एंड अभी जोसे मोरिनो उसको वर्कआउट कर भी देगा, ठीक है. बट एनी टाइम इफ यू आस्क मी कि विनीसियस और एम्बापे, आई एम गोइंग टू चूज विनीसियस टिल द एंड.
Fair. Guys, अगर आप यहाँ तक पहुँच चुके हो तो do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Of course, leave a comment below. Before we come to the last segment of this particular conversation, very quickly, what are your expectations this season with Jose, with Real Madrid? Do you see Real winning the La Liga? And what about the Champions League? आपको क्या लगता है? Do you think Mourinho can pull his magic in the UCL?
Yeah, I think he can.
So you're expecting Real to win this year again? The
I
16th
mean, of
trophy?
course, I'm always expecting for us to win. Yeah, I am. I would be lying if I say I don't expect us to win.
We gave a tough fight to Bayern as well.
Right,
That
right.
first
Yeah,
half
true.
was crazy.
Right.
We all मतलब अब वो स्कोर लाइन ऐसा भी नहीं था ना कि पूरा थ्रैश कर दिया तो that was with this हालत of the team.
Right.
तो I think Jose Mourinho के साथ I don't think we are going trophyless. आ जाएगा CDR आएगा या तो फिर ला
La Liga.
Trophyless तो नहीं होगा.
Right.
कोई ना कोई तो trophy आएगी. It's
Okay.
like that.
The one signing from the summer market that you're really excited about and who you think will shine?
Ian Diomande.
Diomande?
Diomande and Cucurella, as I already spoke.
It's not Bernardo Silva.
मुझे बर्नार्डो सिल्वा के साइनिंग का वजूद ही समझ
मुझे भी नहीं समझा है. I told you right something that I didn't
Wow.
understand.
Wow.
I meant Bernardo Silva by that. कि मतलब ठीक है अभी आ गया है तो खेल.
I mean,
whatever.
start
But it's
करने की
just
बारी आती है in that pivot role अगर Valverde और I mean see we need someone हमारे पास attack factor ठीक है एक defensive midfielder चाहिए and I
था.
think we have Chouameni for that ठीक है there is some doubt regarding his कभी decision making but then दोनों बेंफिका के against he was the man of the match ठीक है UCL में I remember and we need that kind of player ठीक है and Bernardo Silva as a full time starter मेरे को थोड़ा मतलब I don't want Chouameni to go in the beating
Right.
See,
ये तो मुझे
Bernardo
Bernardo
Silva
Silva नहीं समझ में आ रहा
and Bernardo Silva apart from Manchester City, like except for Pep, I have not seen Bernardo Silva perform. I mean when he plays.
He was good at Monaco as well. Very good at Monaco.
I've not watched him at
Yeah.
Monaco. I'm just saying I'm talking about basically what I mean is Portugal and
अभी जो देखा
City
है
that.
Right.
No, but forget about अभी जो देखा. It is about मैंने Bernardo Silva को कभी perform करते हुए ही नहीं देखा है for Portugal. Like when I have seen like
I
these.
think that's more of a Portugal problem than.
Yeah,
Bernardo.
maybe. So I don't know. That's what I'm saying, right? Like that's when my like sort of bias comes
Fair-
from.
fair enough.
I don't know like how is it going to work? Is it not going to work? But he's come here great. We'll make something out of
he
it.
has that experience ठीक है
हाँ,
वो
वो
factor
experience
experience है and he has that behavior काम जो चाहिए यहाँ पे
Yeah.
but as बोलते हैं ना जिस हिसाब का play making होने वाला है the low blocks होते हैं fast transitioning and counter attacks and जो अभी जो स्पॉट कंडीशन की मैंने बात की मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा है कि हाउ ही उसका क्या करेगा ये एक डाउटफुल मुझे लग रहा है यहाँ पे मुझे मतलब फ्लॉप ही बोलूंगी अगर ऐसे आई होप ही प्रूव्स अस रॉन्ग ठीक है ये भी मैं
I
बोलूंगी
really want
अभी
us to
ले ही
prove
लिया
us
है
wrong.
तो हाँ ले ही लिया है तो बट इन माय प्रेडिक्शन इज कि बर्नार्डो सिल्वा आई प्रेफर Chouameni अगर इसकी बात करें फॉर्मेशन की तो ऐसा
Fair.
बस इधर अभी तुम बोले because
So the last segment is here, girls, and it's time for the rivalry. थोड़ा Andy मेरे अंदर आ गया था, but it is time for a small quiz, and the winner of this quiz will get a surprise. नहीं छोड़ूंगा, I'll reveal it. It is a Real Madrid jersey, courtesy of Chintan Milan 07, official sponsor for this Real Madrid jersey. So girls, बहुत simple quiz है ये, it's not tough. I'm going to ask you all one question each, and by the end of 8 questions, whoever has the maximum correct answers will take home the Real Madrid jersey. Are you guys ready?
let them rock paper scissors.
All right. So toss करना है कि rock paper scissors करना है?
नहीं
Start with Sharwari.
Oh my
All right.
god.
ठीक है.
Okay.
All right.
Great for
All right. Let's go here. Who has the highest appearances for Real Madrid?
Ramos.
It's a very simple, very simple answer. Okay, let me give you a hint. His name was mentioned in our conversation.
हम तो सबके बारे में बात करें.
उसमें से एक है who's got the highest.
रोनाल्डो.
You have to ask for it. अगर pass नहीं है तो आपको pass.
रोनाल्डो के highest appearances थोड़ी है. Appearances.
maybe just ask the question just about the
5
Ramos. I'm just gonna go with Ramos, but I
Going
think
for Ramos?
I think it's Marcelo, but I'm gonna say Ramos.
आपका आंसर है रोनाल्डो, क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो, CR7.
yeah
Both of you are wrong. It's Raul Gonzalez.
What?
It's Raul Gonzalez.
Okay.
All right. An easier one after this. Who has this for you, Rita? Because one
yeah
most assists for Real Madrid
most assists
ever.
ever for Real Madrid
I can give you a hint.
yeah
Do you want a hint? Ballon d'Or winner.
Zinedine Zidane.
No. You can pass it. You can take this. Sharvari.
Oh my god. मेरा दिमाग ही काम नहीं कर रहा, मुझे players ही याद नहीं आ रहे.
Can I give you another hint?
Only one hit.
One hint.
Sharma gets answer.
Oh my god. I know it's not Luka Modric.
Five.
Oh wait. Benzema.
That's correct.
Nice.
On the board now.
Yeah.
So 1-0 so far.
Because I know Ronaldo has the most goals and Benzema has the most assists.
That's
Yeah.
right. All right. So
I can hear.
So the third question is to Sharvari. Who's got the most consecutive goals scored in any game? Like consecutive games by consecutive goals. Who's got the record?
Consecutive.
I'm gonna say Ronaldo, but I think
That's correct. She's correct. As it is Cristiano Ronaldo.
Highest score है तो consecutive.
But
yeah.
ऐसे नहीं हो
It can happen. So 2-0. Rida, you have to catch up now. Remontada करना है. ये भी एकदम simple सवाल है. The fourth question: Who's the most expensive signing in the history of Real Madrid?
Eden Hazard.
Eden Hazard is correct, but now But this is I'm going to give you that because it is Eden Hazard as of now. Yeah, Diamante बन जाएगा. Okay, when it's official. So
हो गया.
But I'm going to still give you the point. So it's 2-1. All right. Fifth question to you, Sharvari. In 2002, Zinedine Zidane scored that fantastic goal that won the Champions League. Who were the opponents?
2000. I don't know. I have to
Take a guess.
take a guess.
I'll give you one hint. It was a German team.
Bayern.
It's not Bayern.
Dortmund. Because
Not Dortmund.
Jersey का.
Okay, another hint because हमारे
Leverkusen?
Leverkusen is correct.
How do you know that? नहीं करके आ जाता तुझे ऐसा.
नहीं यार.
ये ऐसी स्टूडेंट मैंने
यार
मैंने
नहीं आई हराई.
अरे मैं यार I'm just trying to remember things.
No,
Like guess की.
we got it, Sharvari. Rida and I got it. You are that student जो बोलता है कि यार मैंने कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं की है and बहुत कम मार्क्स है. 97 out of 100 है. बहुत कम मार्क्स. But it is 3-1 to Sharvari. Now the next question is to you, Rida.
Yeah.
Okay. Before Ancelotti, who was the last Italian manager to coach Real Madrid?
Solari.
He's Argentinian.
Argentinian. Sorry.
I don't know. I can't remember.
Give you a hint. He is ex England, ex Roma, ex AC Milan, and ex Juve manager. He was also called Don because Italian manager Don ही बोलते हैं. Okay, I'll give you another hint to you, Rita.
I think
FC are his initials.
no, I have no idea.
Any guess? FC?
I think I know the face. I think I know who you're talking about, but I don't know the name.
We're looking for a name, and it's Fabio Capello. So still 3-1. Okay. This is a tough one.
बहुत editing लग रहा है.
This is a tough one. Okay, Rita, you're in the lead, 3-1. Tough question coming to her, by the way. Which club did Real Madrid sign Michael Owen from?
Is it United?
It's not United.
Liverpool.
Liverpool is correct. 2-3.
He went to United after.
He actually went to Newcastle United, and from Newcastle he went to Man United.
Okay.
So Rita is back in the game. 2-3. It is on, and you can tie this, okay? To make it 3-all, and then we'll go into a tiebreaker.
Okay.
Rita, next question is to you to get a proper remontada in this game. Name at least one Italian player to play for Real Madrid. Anyone.
Italian player to play for Real Madrid.
Come on, quickly. One Italian player. एक.
One hit.
हाँ, but ऐसे याद नहीं आता ना.
वही तो
Ballon d'Or.
ऐसे
Ballon d'Or.
आएगा.
He won the Ballon d'Or.
Defender.
अरे
FC.
He captained Italy in 2006 World Cup.
यार,
आ रहा दिमाग में कितने सारे आ रहा है कि
If Sharvari gets it, then she wins it.
Yeah, Sharvari, if you get it, you win it. Any Italian player.
I
just
know
World
the
Cup
player, I
pitch पे
can't
मिला।
remember the name at all. Like nothing.
जस्ट
is
वर्ल्ड
coming
कप
to
में
mind.
उसको पिच पे मिला था वो।
I know, मुझे उसका नाम नहीं याद आ रहा है. That is the
We want a
problem.
name. We want a name. Come on.
मैं वही तो नाम याद कर रही हूँ.
कोई भी चलेगा।
Whoever answers it, Rita, for you, this is your ticket back into the game. You can make it 3-all. Sharvari, for you to win it.
Italian.
I can't even remember his name.
Come on.
He is the head coach of Uzbekistan.
Right?
Yes.
But I don't know. But I don't know his name. I'm not able to remember his name. मुझे याद ही नहीं आ रहा है ना. Can I just get a point for that? At least
No.
half a point.
You're winning it anyways if she doesn't.
Yeah, you're
Ah.
winning it.
Tension should be on this side.
Yeah, Rita, quickly, 5 seconds for you to answer. Otherwise, Sharvari wins it.
Correct बोल रही थी क्या मैं?
Yeah, you're the manager.
नहीं मैं नाम.
5, 4,
साथी correct था.
3.
Fabio
Two.
something.
Yes.
ना?
Come on, take a guess.
Fabio. I am definitely gonna say the surname incorrect and don't mock me. Something from C is surname.
Yes.
It's Conticelli, something
It's
really.
Cannavaro.
Cannavaro.
Fabio Cannavaro.
Fabio
And-
was correct.
3-2. That will get the point. I'm not giving you the point because you
No,
cannot.
I was
not
close.
know
Yeah.
Fabio Cannavaro, but this
Thank
is
you. Very well. Ah.
Newcastle Church are signing.
Thank you.
Newcastle just signing. And by the way, आपको इटालियन सेरिया आप लोग दोनों को सेरिया में आपको रोमा सपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा. That's not negotiable. But thank you so much, girls. It was.
इस क्विज का सामने करना है तो अभी बस इटालियन देखना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, आपको सेरिया अभी सेरिया जी पे आ
मैंने
गया है.
बहुत guesses किए हैं, but I think my guess was good.
अब सेरिया जी पे आ चुका है तो you guys can watch आराम से live. No need for any illegal streams. But thank you so much for coming down.
Thank
It
you
was a
so much for
pleasure.
calling us. This was fun.
बहुत मजा आया, lot of fun, and wishing you guys all the best for the next season, the upcoming season. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I mean, there was a fantastic flow. I loved hosting both the girls. Very, very interesting charche. Thank you for all the love and support. Please like, share, and follow to Calcio Charcha. Also, do not forget to follow both the girls on their social handles. हम description में लिख लेंगे, but Adhoc Rita and Shargastic, if I'm correct. Thank you so much once again. We'll be back with another episode sometime soon. Until then, it's ciao ciao.